Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add new domain to Hostinger Hosting. First, open your Hostinger H panel. On the left side of the screen, you will see a menu. Click on Websites. In this section, click on Add a Website. You will now be asked to choose a platform. You can select WordPress if you want to use WordPress, or choose Other if you plan to use a different platform. Next, select Use an existing domain. Here, type in your new domain name. If you purchased your domain directly from Hostinger, it will connect automatically. If your domain was bought elsewhere, such as Namecheap or GoDaddy, you need to update your domain's name servers at your domain registrar. To do this, go back to H panel and click on Domains. In this section, find your domain and click on Manage next to it. From the menu on the left, choose Name Servers. Here you will see Hostinger's default name servers listed. Copy these name servers exactly as they appear. Next, open your domain registrar account, either GoDaddy or Namecheap. Find the domain settings and locate the area where you can change the name servers. Paste the Hostinger name servers that you copied into these fields. Save your changes. After updating the name servers, it is important to wait for propagation. The DNS update can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate worldwide. Once the domain is connected, you can manage it from your Hostinger dashboard. You can also install an SSL certificate automatically, which will make your website secured. Thanks for watching.